So a lot of people wonder if they should hire a financial advisor or if they should do it themselves. This is a very good question. Honestly, I think there's a way to do both and for certain people, but typically you hire a financial advisor because you want someone looking at your overall financial plan or helping you build a financial plan and then monitoring that financial plan to make sure you stay on track. Portfolio management, I often say if you're just doing portfolio management and the advisor's not doing anything else for you, that's kind of like the tail wagging the dog, right? So really you start with the financial planning process. So you want to make sure that your financial plan is setting the policy or setting the guidelines on how your money should be invested going forward. For retirees, this is really important because you're not really in growth portfolio mode anymore. You're probably looking at for income from your portfolio or distributions from your portfolio. So a financial advisor can really help make sure that you're not withdrawing too much that where you could run out in the future, or possibly you're not withdrawing enough and living your best life. So a true financial advisor should be able to do comprehensive financial planning that complements the portfolio management side of their services. And that plan should be reviewed probably every 6 months to a year to make sure you're staying on track. For younger people, I believe that you don't necessarily need to have an active manager, but you do need to have someone look at your allocation overall, and as well as do the planning. Are you saving enough? We actually have an hourly financial planning service here, and I think it works really well for people who are under 50 years old because we're taking them through the exact same financial planning process as we do with older, more wealthy clients, but we're basically giving them asset allocations going forward, saying, hey, stick to these core asset classes as you save money, or invest your 401k in these funds to meet your planning objectives. So it's kind of a hybrid approach, I guess, where you're doing some of the work on your own, but you're having someone look over your shoulder. Hope this helps. Reach out if we can help you.